Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is talking to basically Lorraine and Michelle. And he's saying that he's not seen Donna doing any charity, so he doesn't know what corruption they are trying to fight. He said he looked under his bed, he looked on his dresser, he moved his furniture, he moved, he looked behind his TV, he went outside and he looked, he didn't see anything. He said he went on Donna's pages, the Instagram, Facebook, her YouTube, and he hasn't seen anything to state or to you know, show that she's doing any charity. So he doesn't know what they are still searching for, you know, in terms of, trying to bring her down for corruption with charity. And he's saying that if there's nobody else that they can, talk about or try to bring down at this point, because he's saying that they are stuck on this one person and they won't stop. He's saying that she has done her diligence and she's doing whatever she's doing now, and it's not charity. He's also saying that he will never stop supporting her and giving her roses while she is alive. And no matter what, she would have done, he's going to go one day and go comment and, run from the page because, he has respect for her and he will never stop showing that respect. So, guys, go ahead and go listen to what Dwayne has to say to Lorraine and Michelle about Donna. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that beautiful notification bell that's at the top there so that when I post, you know about it. Now, guys, come on. You have to subscribe. You have to hit that bell because that's the way you're going to hear different stuff, new stuff every single day. And for all my beautiful lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays, happy, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your beautiful year. For all my other lovelies, my supporters, my subscribers, my friends, my family, whatever you want to call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. And there may come a point where things will, continue based on what people may have perceived in the past. But sometimes there must be an hand. Now, we know that not everything will end because if people are hell bent on something, sometimes they will not stop until they get their reward or they think that they're really done with that particular thing. So sometimes we would like people to stop talking, but people are going to continue talking. It's what people do in life. And we can't stop people from talking because they're going to talk no matter what. You could do good, you could do bad, you could do the indifference. People are going to talk, and there's no way we can stop them. So, what we have to do is to live our lives in a way and a manner that is pleasing to ourselves and something that we know that is good. Yes, we have to live good, a way that is pleasing to ourselves, but is also good in the eyes of God, so that when prosecution comes our way or when people talk about us, we don't have anything to fear because we understand that we are doing good. So, guys, remember, keep a positive mindset at all times and do good at all times. Remembering that not only the eyes of others that are out there that's looking at you, but there's that hidden eye that is somewhere seeing everything that we do. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
So me a cripple, I'm lift up my bed. Me a cripple, I'm lift up my couch. Me a cripple. I'm lift. Me going down in my kitchen and I ease up my fridge. I ease up my cooker. Me go on my table. Me look back on my TV. Me look all about in my house. I go outside and look all in the damn rubbish bin just to see if me can see any signs of Donna doing charity. And me come up blank. I came up blank. Me come up blank. So maybe on something me not see. I don't know. Maybe you people see something I don't see. Backside, me forgot to look on top of my wall unit. Maybe charity are going up there, so. Me figure, I don't see no signs of any charity. I don't see no signs of any charity happening. I don't see it. Someone come to ask, what corruption them say them a fight down? What corruption? Guys, please share this live stream. Share this live stream. Don't make an heart bother on the door. Don't make an heart bother on it. If it bother on it to share the live stream, if it bothers you to like it, even worse, even better, if it bothers you to interact with the conversation, don't do so. Just sit and listen, right? Just listen and listen attentively. I go look, I go open my suitcase because I have two suitcases when we used to go to Jamaica last time. I go open it and look in there if I see any kind of charity work I go on in the cars. Maybe, you know, when I come up for this live stream, I'm going to turn my house upside down. I go outside too and walk around the vicinity just to see if I can see any signs of Donna doing any kind of charity. I go look. I go look because on social media, I don't see none. I don't see no signs on social media, nor Facebook, no YouTube, no Instagram. We all know say Donna's charity started from Instagram and it should come on Facebook, right? And it should go on YouTube. I go on one of the platform them and I don't see no signs. Because I go by YouTube over Instagram and I'm sure I even saw Donna took down her charity videos. Unless I didn't score down way enough. But for a very long time, I have not seen Donna put any kind of charitable videos on our YouTube, on our Facebook, or even on our YouTube. So my question to you, Lorraine and Michelle, what kind of corruption are the two of you claiming on our fight down? Not just that. Isn't there any more charity? Okay, hypothetically speaking, that not the charity. Isn't there any more charities one can go and scrutinize too? Tell me if I tell a lie. Is there no more charities? My question to you, to the both of you, is why are you so hell bent? Why are you so hell bent on bringing on just this one woman? This one woman will come from the ghetto. Akash, boss it too quick. Akash blow up overnight and none of you or anyone expected this kind of, support. People would have latched onto her and support her. I'm telling them from yesterday, me nah stop cheer on Donna. Yes, at a point I was rebelling. In fact, my lash out pan the wall on my lash out pan the wall on the box cover. And rightfully so, I lashed out and I would not change my lashing off for nobody. But there comes a time in our life where we say, listen, enough is enough. And give people their roses while they continue to be among the living. And Donna girl, me nah stop give you roses. When I say me not me do allow when I plank shop a liar and me come in that box and one come in that box and one of these guess me fling to come into that brown dog and run and take off like kite. All I can do a black my girl. That's all I can do. Simple. Yes, Dweisha here. I really don't want to draw off my Dweisha character. I should have put on my wig if me don't draw for Dweisha. But it's gone bad already. So let us work with what we have right now and let's enter this conversation and do so in a meaningful way. Any one of you on my live stream right now harassing me, I would encourage you, go and give your life to God. You need deliverance. You need God. I mean, look at me. I have been delivered If me, a cripple, can be delivered, you too can seek deliverance too, and you will get it, long as you seek it in a meaningful way. So go and seek the Lord. Seek the Lord. Seek something and stop it with the nonsense. You understand? Just stop, because it don't cute. At this point, Ono is being like Lorraine, Michelle, and many more, walking around on social media, bullying people continuously without no kind of end in sight. Like, what is wrong with you? Joy, I am a cripple, but I'm a proud cripple. I'm a proud cripple with values, morals, ethics, and most importantly, principle. I am a cripple, but I'm a proud one. You hear me? Me nah stop calling myself cripple, because them call me cripple. I'm using that cripple word. I'm using it to make lemonades. So leave me be. Let me continue to call myself the cripple with values, principles, morals, amongst other things. Me nah stop saying that cripple. I am a cripple. I am disabled, Joy. Joy, I am disabled. I am. Right? I am disabled. You know, but I'm a proud person who's endured trauma and come out on the other side. Understand? Me not stop sing, me not stop sing myself praises. And me no want nobody out to sing me no praise. I don't want no one to sing me praise. Let me continue to toot my own horn. You know? Cause if I don't toot my own horn, who the hell is gonna toot the horn for me? Nobody. Me have to toot my own horn. You understand? I'm not a Donna. I'm not a Chris. I am none of these people. I'm just Dwayne Fletcher, the cripper from London. And me go on toot my own horn. Until one day come, if somebody comes on board and toot my horn with me, then okay, maybe I will tone it down a little bit then. But until that day come, I'm go on toot my own horn. The crippled horn. Respectfully. Yes, Lorraine, back to you. Now, before I go to Lorraine, more talk something quick and fast. Maxine, girl. Maxine Foster, it is never too late for a shower of rain. You hear me, girl? I will never curse you. I will never curse you, Maxine. Because, Maxine, I know for a fact, somewhere inside of your heart, there is still love for Donna, girl. I feel like at this point, Maxine, bear in mind, me and you, we're in the same category. We are both on the outside, right? But that's okay, Maxine. Long as you stay on the outside and blog with something meaningful, I don't see a problem with it. We don't have to push upon Donna for validation, right, Maxine? But I would encourage you, Maxine Foster, Maxine, I know in my heart you have not been, there's still love in you for Donna. So I would encourage you, Maxine, and I want to keep encouraging you. Stop allowing hatred to consume you. Stop allowing this energy that's taking over you. Stop allowing it to take over you. Maxine, come back, Maxine, come back. Because I know for a fact there's still love in you for Donna. I mean, Maxine, look at me. A few months ago, no one could have told me I would have been where I am right now. But whoever came for me on the 4th of June, I'm not gonna stop thanking them. I will never stop thanking them. Because they helped me to come back to reality. Because, Maxine, I was out doing some things. Looking back now, I know for a fact it was very, very distasteful. Many people have lost faith in me. But that's okay. Maxine, it is never too late for a shower of rain. You hear me? And whenever the day come when you are ready to come back to the right side of life, I will not shun you. I will say, Maxine, I welcome you. Maxine, search and dig deep inside of you, because I know for a fact you still have love for Donna. Find that love wherever it is in you and hold on to it. Whenever you hold on to it, don't let it go, because the minute you let go, that devil, that demonic entity, it may just seep in again and take control of you. And that's what we don't want. Maxine, I know you're a good woman. I know you've done a lot of things, great things for Shop. And that's one thing Donna will never forget you for. Same thing applies to me too. Even if we don't become friends tomorrow or next year or whenever, we have done some good things. Me, you, and many other people have done a lot of great things in Shop. Things that not many people can say we came together as one and made such beautiful things happen. And Maxine, I know you probably are pained. You probably are going through. I know you're probably pained, right? And I know you're probably you probably feel rejected. And I too, I felt I too, Maxine, I felt rejected at a point too. But you know, I'm gonna tell you one more time. Long as we come out here and we do things the right way, respectful, pleasing in the eyes of God, I promise you, you are onto a winning solution. Maxine, my final words to you, please. I know you might be shocked at my transformation. But Maxine, you too, you can do it too. And don't care if people despise you. Don't care. Just know it's never too late for showering. And let those with eyes see you and see you very well too. The ones who chooses to despise you, they will continue to despise you. But Maxine, that's fine. Keep doing good and good will follow you. You know, I will always say this, Maxine. Whatever energy we want from the universe, whether negative or positive, put that vibrations out and you will get it back. So if you want positive, good energy, put out good energy and you will get it back. If you want negative, keep doing the negative stuff and it will come back. I'm telling you. Maxine, please come back. Please. I hope you heard me. When I look on the screen, but Maxine, please come back. Your brothers and your sisters are waiting to embrace you. Let us be one more time. And do it this time in a meaningful way. You hear me, Maxine? I hope you heard me. If you choose to come out here and curse me, that's on you. Just know I'm not gonna come out here and curse you, Maxine. I'm not gonna do that. Because I know somewhere inside of you they're still good. So I'm not gonna come out here and do the toe-to-toe stuff with anyone. You get it? You know, before I go any further, I want to say one more thing about somebody. And this time I call this man name. Me not call him no nickname, no nothing. I call him name. Barisha. Barisha, it is a shame. It is a shame to see how you've allowed these people to manipulate you. Me too. At a point, I was manipulated too. Right? But Barisha, bear in mind, you do not have any problems in terms of you've never had any operations in your head. I've had operations in my head. Right? Doctors have been into my brain. No doctors to date can say they've gone into your brain, Barisha. And to see you've allowed hatred to do you and get the best of you like this. Barisha, I made them something that should happen to, and it did happen to me. Understand, girl? You was never like this, Barisha. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. If you want, come curse me. I don't care. But Barisha, the Barisha I remember was very jovial, loving, caring, empathetic, sympathetic. And to see you have allowed these people to manipulate you to this point where you two have now become a monster, where you speak so nasty about Donna on your page. Barisha, views can't eat. Clout can't eat either. You see, this clout thing, Barisha, is only gonna last for a short time span. Bear in mind, none of us are here forever. So, Barisha, I will encourage you. I will encourage you to find back your way to the right side of life and stop allowing these people to use you as a weapon against Donna. It's not sending a strong message out. It's not sending a strong message out here, because bear in mind, Barisha, you too, you are a woman, right? And I'm very sure all of the women on this page right now, minus a few who's over here harassing me, but most of you, you have one thing in common. The fact all of you are females. And trust me, I know many of you, you do believe in empowering each other, right? That thing called women empowerment. I know many of you, you believe in it. Because if you didn't believe in it, I mean, look at all of these women out here. Many of you have helped to propel them, to propel these women to a point where most are truly unreachable. I mean, look at Donna. Donna was propelled by many women. Yes, there are a few men in the collective. I was one of those men. But yes, there are few men, but there are far more women who helped to propel this woman to her stardom. Not just Donna, many other women, Cora Abidi, many of them helped to propel each other. Each one helps one, each one pushes the other. And Barisha, I know for a fact you believe in empowering each other. Stop allowing hatred to consume you. Stop allowing this toxic vibrations to get the best of you. Because trust me, one day you're going to ask yourself, why did I put myself in such a predicament? And I know for a fact you may hop in your page and curse me, but Barisha, that's fine. I'm speaking to you from my heart. I pray to God one of these days you will get up and realize, listen, Rome was not built in a day. So the walls of China was not built in a day either. The walls of Jericho, Barisha, was never built in a day. My granny said one quaker full basket. You understand, Barisha? Take a little time and build your thing. And build it with respect, values, morals, and principles. And you can't go wrong. That is a winning solution. This coming out here continuously and tearing down Donegal, all because you think it's gonna put you in a good position in life. It won't. It will not. I mean, Barisha, look at me. You should have learned. You should have learned from my mistakes. You should have, right? Barisha, I know you remember very well. I had a lot of people on my page. Most of those people, they never meant me well. They was only over here to cheer me on, to do the nonsense. Right? And I forgot who I was. I forgot who I was. I know for a fact, you too, Barisha, you're a damn good human being. You are. Fine.